my daily activities. At 4:30 a.m., I wake up. At 4:45 a.m., I have a shower. At 5 a.m., I pray subuh. At 5:10 a.m., I cook for breakfast. At 5:45 a.m., I have breakfast. At 16, get ready and go to campus. At 8:40 a.m., I study. At 12 p.m., I pray zuhur and I have lunch. At 1 p.m., I study. At 15 p.m., I pray asar and eat snack. At 16:20 p.m., I study. At 16 o'clock, I pray Maghrib. At 6:20 p.m., I go home. At 7 p.m., I have a shower. At 8 p.m., I have a dinner. At 8:20 p.m., I study. At 19 p.m., I go to bed. At 9:30 p.m., I sleep.